changing ice cubes. For this experiment, you will need half a head of red cabbage, some water, a pot, a strainer, a glass bowl or measuring cup, an ice cube tray, 3 tall clear glasses, some baking soda, and vinegar. The first step is to cut the red cabbage into small pieces like this. You want to make sure you have adult supervision to help you either cut or place it into a blender. Next, you want to take your small pieces of red cabbage and place it into your pot. Now you want to take some water and pour it over the cabbage until it covers the top. The next step is to bring the mixture to a boil. You can do this on the stove top or in the microwave oven. When the mixture comes to a boil, you want to turn off the heat and let it sit for 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, you want to take the mixture and strain it. The purple solution is your pH indicator. What you want to do now is pour your pH indicator into a glass measuring cup. Now that you've poured your pH indicator into a glass measuring cup, you want to take your ice cube tray and fill each of the sections. Next, you want to take your ice cube tray and place it in the freezer. After a few hours or overnight, take the ice cubes out of the freezer. Now that our ice cubes are ready, I'm going to put them into this glass bowl. We are now going to make the 3 different solutions to put our ice cubes in. In this first glass, we're going to fill it with white vinegar. I'm going to fill the second glass with water. I'm using distilled water. And in this third glass, I'm going to fill it with water and then add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And make sure you stir it up really well. These are our solutions that we are going to be adding our color-changing ice cubes to. We have our water, which is neutral and is going to be our control. We have our vinegar, which is acidic. And we have our baking soda and water mixture, which is basic. Now we have our color-changing ice cubes. What do you think will happen when I put this ice cube into the water? Let's take a look. What do you think will happen when I place this into the vinegar? Let's take a look. What do you think will happen when I place it into the baking soda? Take a look. The one that was placed in the water turned the water purple. The one that was placed in the vinegar turned it pink. And the one that was placed in the baking soda and water mixture turned blue. Why do you think that happened? happens? Before explaining what happens, let's define some words. pH, measure of hydrogen ion concentration. In a neutral solution, hydrogen ions H+ and hydroxyl ions OH- concentrations are equal. In an acidic solution, there are more hydrogen ions. In a basic or alkaline solutions, there are more hydroxyl ions. pH scale, a scale used to measure how acidic or basic alkaline a water-soluble solution is. It usually ranges from 0 to 14. If a solution has a pH less than 7, it is acidic. If a solution has a pH greater than 7, it is basic or alkaline. If the solution is a pH of 7, it is neutral, neither acidic nor basic. pH indicator, a chemical compound that is added to a solution to easily determine the pH, acidity, or alkalinity of the solution. It detects hydrogen ions. The red cabbage contains anthocyanin, a chemical that changes color depending on the acidity of the environment. In an acidic environment, it is reddish pink. In a neutral environment, it is purple. And in a basic or alkaline environment, it turns bluish green or yellow. Did you know red cabbage is the best known edible indicator, but you can also use beets, blueberries, cherries, blackberries, red onion, raspberries, red and purple grapes, and eggplant. Take it to the next level. Try testing more household items like apple juice, lemon juice, milk, toothpaste, soap, tap water, Coke, antacid, and baking powder. Thanks for watching!